let's say, tendered. And the tender was special because we had to offer solution per square meter based on the actually DVG plan of the site and the white book from the end client, end user. And that was it. So per square meter. So how to do it? We had a one advantage because we just finished a very big project, a warehouse in Austria at that time with 120,000 square meters, and one in Germany with 150,000 square meters, starting to work on even a bigger one of 500,000 square meters near Vienna. So we had a very good overview of what actually our cost for such a project, based on that, what they wanted, actually costs and what we can offer. And this is special, yeah? But special was also that years. So we offered actually in 2020, end of 2020, and the contract was signed 2021. So you can imagine all of the price turmoils, whatever happening at that time. But, you know, we succeeded, project was okay, and I will guide you through this very fast today. Okay. Okay, now we go back. Good. So this is the picture from the air. Yeah, 70,000 square meters, only one floor. What is funny is that actually in this kind of a site, own microclimate happens. So in this building, there is a different climate that outside in that particular moment. So it's 70,000 square meters. I told you it was turnkey offer. So, you know, we had to really think about it when offering per square meter. And we offered full electrical. Today, Tenzor Group is not integrator only on technical security field, but we are integrator on full electrical. And therefore, we also built a team that can handle, of course, the high voltage as well. Why is this important? We feel that for client, this is much better because there is one point of contact. You are controlling everything. We say everything what is electrical, and at the end result for the client is much better and much easier project. So we did project design for high voltage, for low voltage, project design for implementation, of course, technical security, safety equipment, and also courtyard logistic, which I will explain you a bit more. With our own team, of course, implemented everything, and now we are there to maintain it. We used a lot of different equipment. Our strategy was always to be open to different equipment so that we can really find the best solution for a client for that type of building, for that processes, and optimize, of course, the cost and the usability. So we used 2N, R adaptive recognition, SIR control, DMV from Serbia, Dorma, Kaba, LK, SRV, Honeywell, Geze, Hikvision, Honeywell, and it goes on. But what is really important is that everything what you see on this chart, we actually connect to our own developed software. To get a bit of a feeling, because we are at Adria Security Fair, yeah, so to get a bit of a feeling how big are the systems and which systems we used, maybe a couple of points. So, for example, MB Secure from Honeywell, 5000 series, 300 plus zones, SR, around 450 elements. Then we have around 130 IP cameras connected to Milestone, just to get a bit of a feeling how big is that. To move on, so what is important for us and for clients? We came from low voltage, let's say high punctuality, really aesthetics and so, and we want to transfer it to the full electrical. And that's the point. So we want to do high voltage with the same precision as low voltage. And this is how at the end, then everything looks. If you want to see more pictures, maybe later you can stop at our booth. This is, for example, the DIN emergency lighting, central battery panels, and how we do it, because it's important not only because of aesthetic, but because also the client really have a good feeling that the systems are well done and there will be no issues, and also easier for maintenance. What I really wanted to focus on is courtyard logistics management. This is our software, our platform specifically focused to process management of courtyard logistics. So scheduling, pre-scheduling vehicles, entering vehicles, managing them when they enter, how to drive them through the so big, let's say, courtyard, and how to control if in process anything was wrong. This is the software we developed many years ago, actually. But what is good is here on this side, there is already version 2.0. Here we are doing pre-scheduling. We integrate it into transport documentation software. Access is by automatic plate recognition and MyFair as well. And all the guidance of the vehicles is done through two very big VMS signs, 2.7 multiplied by 1.5 meters. So quite big signs where the trucks stop. Now the platform, our platform EM's Industrial Event Management System 2.0 is based on web technologies. We are controlling practically all of the traffic equipment, so traffic lights, these signs, the ramps. And at other clients, we have a lot of very interesting upgrades. So document scanning to really know who got to the site, radiation control, integration that all of the documents that matter are really in one software, document scanning, self-service entry terminals for trucks, and also the payment where there are payment needed, for example, for trucks that wait. Okay. And this is really, really well-developed platform now, used by quite some very big industrial clients in Slovenia. So just to conclude, interesting project started per square meter, finished by square meter, turnkey, satisfied client, and we are going on for next biggest between Venice to Graz. Thank you very much.